do have Arctic Fox in my hair already in the color Ritual. As you can see, it's fading, but it's sticking to the bottoms. So, what I want to try, is what I see everywhere on YouTube, is this mixture of developer. I got 10 volume developer, baking soda, which it's still in pack because it's getting everywhere. Baking soda, dish soap, which I got the one, and yellow shampoo, blue shampoo, any really, I think it's just like really any harsh shampoo would work, but this is the harshest one that I have. So I had the Fanola No Yellow shampoo, and you're supposed to mix it all together. So I have a mixing bowl, mix it all together, put it in your hair, and I think you leave it on for about like half hour, 45 minutes. It's supposed to take all the color out, all the I think it's like it's supposed to take all semi-permanent dyes out. So I want to try it because I got more Arctic Fox and I want to try to do my hair again. So, and also, I also got, because I think the developer really, it doesn't damage your hair, but it makes it really super dry, and my hair is dry to begin with. So I picked up 2 hair masks. I got the Cocoa Repair and I got the Fix My Hair by Aunt Jackie's. And I want to see if these help. I want to see how my hair feels after I do this. And then I want to see if these help. So I think I'm going to use the Fix My Hair one, because this is an intensive repair conditioning mask. So I think I would use this one after I do this. So let's see if this gets around your hair. No. So stay tuned if you want to see if this works. Before we get started, please hit that like button and please subscribe below. I have baking soda, the developer, No Yellow, and the Dawn. So I don't really know how much, but I think the most important part of this is the developer. I don't like that much of baking soda. And then maybe this is only 10 developer. How about here? Maybe like that much developer, so it's a little bit more than half. And then purple shampoo, a squirt, just like that. And then the Dawn soap, which I think I'm just going to use the same amount as purple shampoo. Yeah, a little bit more. Alright. Now, let's mix this up. Mix this up. I know it's turning really, really purpley because of the shampoo. But I don't know. I think that's right. It's a little chunky. It's very liquidy. Alright. I'm going to put half my hair up. There's nothing in my hair because I just washed it. I didn't put anything in it, so there's nothing in it. If you can see the color. the developer, the blue shampoo, the Dawn soap, the baking soda all over my hair. I did miss a few spots, but it did. I know my hair looks good. It did get out most all of the hair color. You can see that it's back to the kind of blondiness. I would say that I had to do it again just to get it really far back. But yeah, and I will say that on the browns, like on my natural hair, it did kind of lighten it. So I just want to do it one more time. Set it back. I think I might do it maybe tomorrow night or Monday because it is really dry. I do have to do a hair mask, but it does work. It does work really well. Now I will say that my hair is dry. It doesn't feel damaged. Like it doesn't feel like it was like over processed. It just feels dry. So what I'm gonna use. Please hold. I'm wearing a t-shirt so you can see the color. But I do want to put in the Aunt Jackie's Fix My Hair just so it helps just a little bit just to fix the kind of just the overall feeling of it. Not that it feels bad or it's like it's coming out or anything, just to give it more hydration. That's all. But I will say that I like that. Now I will say, quick tip. If you're gonna do that, because it's so runny and because it's such a pain to use the brush, like use a hair dye brush with it, get yourself like the squeeze bottle, like a typical hair dye box dye has, and use that. That'd be so much easier. Just put it on and rub it in. So much easier. Such just less of a mess and just so much easier. So I would suggest that, or maybe like a spray bottle. I don't know if a spray bottle could do it as well, but just don't do the bowl with the brush because just it gets everywhere. Don't do it. I just like it. I'm happy with it. So on to the next dye. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye.